Good afternoon, I'm Nathan Allen with YorkLink, part of York Region's Economic Development Team. I've got a special guest with me. I've got Stephanie Curcio from NL Patent. She just pitched on the main stage. She's a startup that went through the YSpace Accelerator Program. Stephanie, welcome. Congratulations on pitching on the main stage. Tell us about NL Patent.
Thanks very much. It was a whirlwind pitching on the main stage. But NL Patent is an AI-based patent search and analytics platform. We've built a large language model that's fine-tuned specifically for the purpose of understanding patent language. And we've solved a very hard problem to effectively manage and search patent data.
Excellent. Now, you went through the YSpace Accelerator Program, so they are part of the YR Tech ecosystem. What value did you get from going through that program?
The support has been phenomenal. We love having gone through the program. We had incredible mentors that we still keep in touch with today that have been instrumental, honestly, specifically for my pitch, because our mentor that we got assigned to through the program really helped us with our pitch, and what I used today was directly as a result of that guidance. There's also great supports, and there's also amazing entrepreneurs and residents that we've had incredible contact with too, and some of them I actually saw on the collision floor yesterday, so it was great. It's been great.
That's awesome. Well, again, congratulations. Making it to the final is incredible. All of York Region's rooting for you to win. I know that gets announced later today. If people want to learn about NL Patent, where should they go?
nlpatent.com. It's easy as that.
Wonderful. Thanks again, and all the best.
Thanks.